Welcome to Smart Education. This is Anjali here. We are going to proceed with practice set 5 of geometrical construction. Question number 1. In a triangle MAN, measure angle MAN is given 90 degree. Length AN is given 8 centimeter and length MN is 10 centimeter. Now, with the help of this given example, given statement, we are going to draw first rough diagram. Okay, so what is our base? Base is AN, which is 8 centimeter. Okay, and it is given angle MAN is given 90 degree. So this is our 90 degree angle. Okay, now what is given? MN is 10 centimeter. So this is our 10 centimeter MN. Like this diagram we have to make. So we'll start with it. First we'll take base, that is 8 centimeter. I hope it is visible. This is 8. Okay. This is 8 centimeter. This is our A. This is our N. 8 centimeter. Now we are going to keep protector on point A. We'll take 90 degree. We have to join this with point A. Okay. Now what is given? Length MN is given as 10 centimeter. So we have to take 10 centimeter with the help of arc. 10 centimeter. Okay. So we are going to keep this compass on point N. Going to make an arc of 10 centimeter. Where it intersects, that is our point M, and we have to join this N M. I hope you understood how to draw this. We are going to write here 90 degree. This is 10 centimeter. Okay. The question number 2 we are going to solve. 2 is, in the right angle triangle STU is hypotenuse and SU is given 5 centimeter and length ST is given 4 centimeter. First we are going to draw a rough diagram here. ST is given 4 centimeter. Okay, this is also right angle. Take here 90 degree. Okay, now what is given? ST is given 4 centimeter. SU is given 5 centimeter. This is our SU. Now we are going to draw the diagram. Take base. Base is given 4 centimeter. This is S. This is T. 4 centimeter. Now we are going to keep this protector on point T to make 90-degree angle. This is 90 degree. Now what is given? SU is given 5 centimeter. We'll take 5 centimeter with the help of scale. Now we'll keep this compass point on S. Going to draw an arc where it intersects, that is our point U. We are going to join S and U. Okay, this is our 5 centimeter. I hope you understood how to construct right angle. We are going to do next sum, that is question number 3. Now question number 3 is, in right triangle ABC, length AC is given 7.5 centimeter and measure angle ABC is 90 degree and length of BC is 5.5 centimeter. So first we'll go for rough diagram. Okay. So here our base is BC, that is 5.5 centimeter. It is given 90 degree, so the base is what? 5.5 centimeter. We have to take right angle here, that is 90 degree. It's not straight, but you make it straight. Okay. Now what is given? Next, AC is given 7.5, so this is our AC, that is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now we have to draw like this. First I will draw a base, that is 5.5 BC, 5.5 centimeter. We're going to keep this protector on point B to make 90 degree angle. This is our 90 degree. We have to take what? AC is given 7.5. 7.5. I hope it is visible. Okay. On point C, I am keeping this rounder point to make an arc. So where they intersect, that is our A. We have to join this AC. Okay, I hope you understood how to do this. So 7.5 centimeter. Now next sum, question number 4. Number 4 is what? In triangle PQR, length PQ is given 4.5 centimeter, length PR is given 11.7 centimeter, and measure angle is PQR, that is 90 degree. Okay. Here also we are going to draw first rough diagram. Compulsory you should draw rough diagram. Okay. First base is given, that is Q and P, 4.5 centimeter. Okay, angle PQR is given 90, so it is our 90 degree angle. Now PR is given 11.7. This is our PR, 11.7 centimeter. Now we are going to draw diagram. First we are going to take a base, that is 4.5 centimeter. This is our P and this is our Q. Now we're going to keep this protector on point Q and make 90-degree angle. Now we have to join this. Okay. I'm taking big because it is given PR as 11.7. It's a big. Okay, I'm going to take this and mark an arc. Keep the rounder point on P and mark an arc. Okay, this is our arc where we get point R. We have to join this now. Okay. I hope you understood how to do this. This is 11.7 centimeter. This is 90-degree. I hope you understood practice set 5. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Smart Education Maharashtra. Thank you.